So we had a lot of activity with extraterrestrials. And you'll see in the 12th dimension is the Anuhazi feline hominid. A hominid is like a humanoid with arms and legs. So this is like people, and it's cat people. The Anuhazi cat people from the Lyra star system originally. Now we're Lyran Syrians Anuhazis. They created us way down here, the Lyran Syrian Anuhazi. They're described as Syrian whites. A lot of them are coming from the Sirius star system. That is our heritage, you guys. It was once Lyra. And just remember that we have some really ancient wars in Lyra. It's literally goes back billions of years. Is when the Lyrans lost their home planet. There was actually literally cataclysm, destruction of their planet. And so they moved to a different star system, the Sirius B. And so our heritage is coming from there, you guys. So we actually went from Lyran to Lyran Syrian, not just Lyrans anymore.